Hi, and congratulations on taking up the 7-day free trial of Builderall. In the next few minutes, you'll get access to the most complete marketing platform online today. If you want to create a full, custom, and optimized website in just minutes, or create a sales funnel to sell your products or services, and automate your business with a full-blown autoresponder system, track conversions, install apps for social proof, and much more, Builderall has got you covered. If you're looking for a platform with all the tools you need to have an online presence in one place for one low monthly cost, you just found it. Now, I know you find this hard to believe, and that's why we are giving you full access for 7 days completely free so you can see it for yourself. Now, I'm going to even make it more irresistible. One of the reasons business owners and entrepreneurs don't seem to get results online is because they don't know how to generate leads for their business. And this is exactly what we're looking to solve today. For the next 7 days, you will have access to all the training videos teaching you how to generate unlimited leads for any business and to be able to sell to them every day. Now, this course is worth over €3,000 and you get it free as a special bonus. Now, this is the exact same course that I use to become a certified Builderall partner and ambassador. Now, this offer is only available for the next 7 days, and after that it's gone forever. So don't miss out on this incredible deal. Or you can join Builderall now for just $26.90 and get immediate access to all our tools and training, including Facebook training, YouTube, Instagram, Google Ads, chatbots, and lots more. Click the link below to access your free trial, and we look forward to hearing about you and your success using the Builderall platform.